I'm going to make a number line. I'm just going to use centimeters, or if I wanted to make it really big, I'll go up by 2. This is my 1, 10. This is my 0 on my number line, and this is going to be my 1. 7 divided by 16. We're expecting that to be like 0.43. Expecting it to be, so 0.1234. This is 0.4, and this is 0.5. We're expecting it to be somewhere around here. I'm going to take my number line, and I'm going to make 16ths out of these. Handy dandy compass. Just going to divide this number line up into 16 somethings. I don't want to go up by ones. If I went up by ½ inches, that might do it. 8 ½ inches will make 16. If I want that to be at 90 degrees, how would I do that? I'm thinking of the Theorem of Thales. I'm going to go to my halfway point right here, put my compass on the halfway point, and I'm going to make a semicircle. Or just that, so I'm going to make a half circle, making my radius 0.5. Put my point on 0.5. I'm making a circle. It goes through 0 and 0.5. If you guys remember the Theorem of Thales, it means that if I inscribe a triangle on here, it's always going to be 90 degrees. I take my 16 of whatever, maybe I'll just use 16 centimeters, that might work nicely. If I take my 16, which is going to come up to about there, let me just measure it on the compass. 16, 16, 16, 16. If I do this, there we go. This is where my 16 is going to cross, like that. This is the Theorem of Thales, or Thales, which says that if I inscribe a triangle inside a circle, so that one side of the triangle is the diameter, you always get a right angle triangle. That means that this angle right here is 90 degrees. This is 16 centimeters. Each centimeter is 1/16. So that's 1/16. That's 2/16. That's 3/16, 4/16, 5/16, 6/16. 7/16. And that's the one I'm after, right? 7 over 16.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
16. This angle is 90 degrees, which is the easiest angle to copy. I'm going to use a set square for that. This thing, this triangle-y thing, this is huge. You guys have these little tiny set squares in your geometry sets. You know those little triangle rulers that come with your geometry sets? They're set squares, and what they're really good for is copying 90 degrees. And if you don't have one, you can use the edge of a sheet of paper. If I wanted to figure out where 15/16 is, I would just have to extend this line to where it crosses the number line. That would be my 15/16. But we're after 7/16, which is right here. I just have to extend this line like this, and there it is. Remember, the 7/16 was 4.375, which is right here, 4.375. That's how you can use the Theorem of Thales to find any fraction on a number line.